Hi students, let us go with our new topic, conic section. From conic section, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Each chapter has 1 mark, so 3 marks we are guessing, okay. Focus of parabola, from parabola, focus of parabola, 4x square minus 12x plus 8y plus 13 equals 0 is what? Now we need focus. Definitely we need form, y square equals to 4x, like that form. So first of all we have to divide with 4 because of we need monic equation. X square minus 3x plus 2y plus 13 by 4 equals to 0. Okay, then it is a x square minus 2 into x, right, x and also 3 by 2. Yes or no? Shall I write like this? Now adding 9 by 2, here 9 by 2, so 9 by 4 because of 3 by 2, no. So minus 9 by 4 plus 13 by 4 equals to minus 2y. Leave that. Now it is a x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 13 minus 4 is a 4 by 4, the 1 equals to minus 2y. Then x minus 3 by 2 whole square, bring that side 1, minus 2 minus 1, okay. Then x minus 3 by 2 whole square into minus 2 common, y shall I write y minus of minus 1 by 2, yes, minus 2 common, it is a plus, then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now it is the exact form in the x minus h whole square equals to 4a into y minus k, okay. Then here h equals to 3 by 2, k equals to minus 1 by 2. Then 4a equals to 2, a equals to 1 by 2, okay. Then here focus is nothing, it is a h comma k. Now it is a minus, so it is a reverse, h comma k plus a, okay. Focus is h comma k plus a. H is a 3 by 2 and k is a minus 1 by 2 minus and plus 1 by 2. K equals to minus 1 by 2, okay. Then what about okay, it is a 2, 2 ones are 2 2s are get cancelled. A equals to 1 by 2, sorry, k minus a, sorry, s equals to h comma k minus a, because of it is a reverse, yes or no. Now minus 1 by 2 already here and a equals to minus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 comma minus 1, okay. Which option? Fourth option is the right option, okay. Now next one. The equation of the parabola having focus 3 comma 2 vertex minus 1 comma 2 is what? Clearly observe here, y coordinate is same, y coordinate is same, okay. If y coordinate is the same, then axis should be parallel to the x axis, then axis should be parallel to the x axis. Suppose axis is parallel to the y axis, here x square equals to 4ay, but here y square equals to 4ax, that means y minus k whole square equals to 4a into x minus h, okay. Then s is a focus 3 comma 2, the h comma k plus a, sorry, h plus a comma k. Now it is a minus 1 comma 2 h comma, okay. Then we need what? H plus a equals to 3, then h is a minus 1 plus a equals to 3, a equals to 4, okay, a equals to 4. Now substitute y minus k, k means what? 2, yes or no. Y minus 2 whole square equals to 4a into 4a is a 16 into x minus h, h is a minus of minus 1, okay. Then y square plus 4 minus 4y equals 16x minus 16. No need to find out here, already we have here. it is a y minus 2 whole square equals to 16 into x plus 1. Okay, third option is our right. Now the equation of focal chord of the parabola y square equals 4x inclined an angle pi by 4 with the x axis. Okay, inclined with this one is angle pi by 4. Now equation is a what? Y square equals to 4x. So vertex is a 0 comma 0 clearly. Now it is the y square equals 4x. That's why I can taking like this. Okay. Now here a comma 0, then a comma 0, then 4a equals to 4. So a equals to 1. Clearly focus is a 1 comma 0. Okay. Now the line passes through from 1 comma 0 and with angle pi by 4. Okay, theta m is a pi by 4. Then our formula is y minus y1 equals to m into m. M is a tan pi by 4. Yes or no? M equals to tan pi by 4 equals to 1. 1 into x minus x1 is a 1. Then y equals to x minus 1. Then x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, which option? Fourth option is the right option. If the length of the chord of circle x square plus y square equals 4 and y square equals to 4 into x minus h is maximum, then the value of h is what? Clearly we know the maximum length of chord is nothing but diameter, and also it should be the chord of parabola. Then clearly given that is a h comma 0. Now it is a 2. Okay, radius is a 2. Yes or no? Radius is a 2. Then the length of the chord is not what? Radius is a 2. The length of the chord it should be what? Okay, 2 plus 2 clearly 4. That is the third one. Equation of ellipse whose axes are the axis of coordinates and which passes through the point minus 3 comma 1 and has eccentricity under root 2 by 5 is what? Okay, actually we have to find by taking the point and also eccentricity, but no need to find like that because of just verifying here. Okay, simple, it is passes through minus 3 comma 1. Yes or no? Definitely it is satisfies one of the equation in this. Yes or no? Let's substitute in this. First one, minus 3, 5 into 9 plus 3 minus 48. Is it 0? 45 plus 8. Definitely it should be 0. Okay, first one is our option. Okay, now the eccentricity of ellipse. Now options are not given here. Root 7 by 2, root 7 by 2, and also root 5 by 4 and 7 by 12, and fourth one root 7 by 4. Okay, now eccentricity of ellipse equals what? First of all we have to dividing with 576. 576 plus 16y square by 50 equals to 1. Yes or no? Then now 9, how much? 9 6 9 4 16 1 16 3 16 3 48. Yes or no? 9 16 6. Yes. Then x square by it is a 8 square plus y square by 6 square equals to 1. Okay, then a equals to 8, b equals to 6. Now a greater than 6. Okay, now eccentricity equals to under root a square minus b square by a square. Okay, now greater than is always as a denominator, remember. Okay, then under root a square 64 minus 36 by a square. 64 equals to, which option? 64 minus 14 minus 6 is a 8. Yes. 5 minus 3 is a 2. 64. 4 16s are 4 7s are. So the root 7 by 4. Fourth option is right. Let's go with our problem. A focal chord perpendicular to major axis of ellipse 9x square plus 5y square equals to 45. Curve at P and Q, then of PQ is what? Okay. Now simply here ellipse equation is what? X square by 5 plus y square by 9 equals to 1 after dividing with 45. Yes or no? Clearly a square equals to 5 and b square equals to 9. We know a is less than b. So the length of lattice rectum, because of the ellipse, it is the ellipse, the focal chord perpendicular to the major axis, like this. These are also focal chord, and curve at P and Q. At what? P and Q. Okay. It is a perpendicular to the what? Ellipse. Then we need what? The length of the lattice rectum. Taking the length of the lattice rectum formula, 2a square by b. Yes or no? Because of a less than b. Okay. So actually our diagram is like this. Okay, not this one. 2a square by b. 2a square by b means 2 into 5 by b is a 3. Okay. Now 10 by 3. First option is a right option. Okay. Now the equation of transverse axis of hyperbola is a y minus 2 whole square by 9 minus x plus 2 whole square by 16 equals 1 is what? Equation of transverse. Simply the equation of transverse is a nothing but x minus h equals to 0. Clearly, yes or no? Okay. Let it is a parallel to the x axis, so y equals to 0. Suppose it is y equals to k, and it is a parallel to the y axis. Parallel to the y axis is a x equals to 0, but here x equals to h. Okay. Now equation of transverse of hyperbola should be x equals to h, then x minus h equals to 0, then x equals to, clearly here given x minus h is nothing but x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. Now first option is a right option. Okay. Let us go with a new problem. If secant theta is the eccentricity of hyperbola, then the eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola is what? We know the eccentricity of hyperbola is E1 and their eccentricity of conjugate hyperbola is E2, then 1 by E1 square plus 1 by E2 square equals to 1. Now this is a formula, yes or no? Then already we have one of this, 1 by secant square theta plus 1 by E2 square equals to 1, 1 by E2 square equals to, now 1 by secant square cos square becomes as 1 minus cos square, then 1 by E2 square equals to sin square theta, then E2 square equals to cosecant square theta, then E2 equals to cosecant theta. Okay, which option? Fourth option is the right option. Now the product of perpendiculars from the foci on any tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals 1 is, actually this is the formula. The product of perpendiculars from the foci of any tangent to the hyperbola is, this hyperbola is b square. Okay, formula is b square. Okay, now this is the formula. Now that one also be answer. Okay, if you like this video, please share with your friends. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.